Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into a powerful new AI image generator, REVE.art. It's already outperforming big names like Midjourney, Imagen 3, and Flux. Let's see how it works. Start by opening your browser and heading to the link in the description. Tap Sign Up to create a new account. Enter your email. You'll get a verification link. Once verified, type in your name and set your password to complete the process. Now you're ready to create. Just enter your prompt, select the aspect ratio, choose how many images you want, keep image enhancement turned on, and if you want, add a seed for more control. Finally, hit the Create button. There's more. You can generate images with clearly readable text, and even modify your prompt after the image is created. Or, change the image output while keeping the same prompt. REVE.art doesn't allow NSFW content. If you try, it'll blur out the image automatically. That's it. The link to the tool is down in the description. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.